Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because the future is officially here, and it's walking among us. Well, almost. The moment we've all been speculating about, dreaming about, and maybe even worrying a little about has finally arrived. Tesla has just pulled the curtain back on the third generation of its humanoid robot. And let me tell you, Optimus Gen 3 is a game changer that has left everyone, including a visibly proud Elon Musk, absolutely stunned. Forget everything you thought you knew about humanoid robots. The grainy, slightly clumsy prototypes of the past are a distant memory. This new version isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution. We were talking about a level of sophistication and capability that feels like it has been lifted straight from a sci-fi blockbuster. The presentation was mind-blowing, showcasing abilities that are not just impressive for a robot, but are genuinely approaching human-like dexterity and intelligence. It's clear that Tesla isn't just building a machine, they're crafting a partner for humanity. Let's dive into the specifics, because the details are where this story gets truly incredible. First up, the physical design. Optimus Gen 3 is sleeker, lighter, and more agile than ever before. Tesla has completely redesigned the robot's actuators and sensors, giving it a range of motion that is simply breathtaking. In the demonstration, we saw it walk, jog, and even perform complex balancing maneuvers with a grace that was almost eerie. It can now move its fingers independently, with incredible precision, allowing it to handle delicate objects like an egg, without crushing it, and then immediately switch to tasks requiring significant force. This level of dynamic control is a monumental leap forward. But the physical prowess is only half the story. The real shocker comes from its new AI brain. Powered by the same kind of end-to-end neural network that drives Tesla's full self-driving Optimus, can now learn and adapt in real time. It's not just following pre-programmed instructions anymore. You can literally show it a task, and it will figure out how to replicate it. We saw it watch a human fold laundry, and then proceed to fold a pile of clothes on its own. It organized tools on a workbench, watered plants, and even started preparing ingredients in a kitchen. The implications of this are staggering. This isn't just a factory worker, it's a potential assistant for every home and business. Elon Musk, who often has a flair for the dramatic, seemed genuinely taken aback by his own team's progress. He explained that the goal for Optimus is to be a universal helper, capable of taking on tasks that are boring, repetitive, or dangerous for humans. He emphasized that safety is the absolute top priority, with multiple hardware and software-level safety protocols built in. He envisions a future where physical labor is a choice, not a necessity, freeing up humanity to pursue more creative and intellectual endeavors. He even talked about a future where you could have a robot butler, a companion, or a tireless worker, fundamentally reshaping our economy and society for the better. And now for the news that has everyone buzzing. During the presentation, Elon dropped a bombshell. He announced that pre-orders for Optimus Gen 3 will officially open this December. That's right, in just a few short weeks, the public will have the chance to reserve their very own humanoid robot. This is happening, and it's happening now. The timeline has accelerated far beyond anyone's wildest predictions. This isn't a concept for 2030. It's a product for 2025. Of course, this raises a million questions. What will the final price be? When will the first deliveries actually begin? And what will the first wave of applications look like? While Tesla is keeping some of those details under wraps for the official pre-order announcement, the speculation is running wild. Early estimates from industry analysts are placing the initial cost somewhere in the range of a high-end car. But Musk has stated that his long-term goal is to make it as affordable as possible, potentially even less than $20,000 once production scales up. The first units will likely be deployed in Tesla's own factories, a perfect testing ground to refine their capabilities in a real-world industrial environment. This will allow them to gather massive amounts of data and rapidly improve the robot's skills before it starts rolling out to the wider public. Imagine warehouses that run themselves, construction sites with robotic assistants, or elder care facilities with tireless, gentle helpers. The possibilities are truly endless. This isn't just another tech product. This is a pivotal moment in human history. The unveiling of Optimus Gen 3 feels like the dawn of a new age, the age of AI and robotics. It's exciting, a little bit scary, and undeniably fascinating. We are on the cusp of a transformation that will affect every aspect of our lives, from how we work to how we live. The debate about the role of AI and robots in society is about to move from the theoretical to the very, very real. What do you guys think about all this? You excited for a future with robot helpers? Or does it make you a bit nervous? What tasks would you want an Optimus robot to do for you? Let me know all your thoughts and theories down in the comments below. I'll be down there reading and replying to as many as I can. This is a conversation we all need to be having, and I can't wait to hear your take on it. This is just the beginning, and we'll be covering every single update as this story unfolds. From the pre-order details in December to the first real-world reviews, you can count on this channel to bring you the latest. So if you're as fascinated by this as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.